In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a NoOnes account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website and then click on Join Us at the very top right. And then when you do this here, it's going to prompt you to basically create your account. Now, you could sign up using your mobile number, you could sign up using Google or Apple, or you could just use your email and a password you can set yourself. And after you've done that, you can just click on the Create Account button over here, and then your account will be created. And after this, you will have to go through a verification process. So the first thing you're going to have to do here is basically just do a simple email verification. Then you're going to have to put in your identity basics, which is, of course, your name and date of birth. And then you can just go ahead and start using the platform, or if you want to get additional benefits here, you could go verify of course your ID and your proof of address over here, and then you will have a fully verified account. So that's how to create a NoOnes account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.